With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, let's start the question. So the question says a parallel plate capacitor is filled with a dielectric of dielectric constant 5 between its plates and is charged to acquire an energy E. Then it is isolated, disconnected from the battery, and the dielectric is replaced by another dielectric of dielectric constant 2. So the new energy stored in the capacitor is option A E, option B 2.5 E, option C 5 E, option D 10 E. So now let's solve the problem. So the solution. Now let C0 be the capacitance of air-filled capacitor. That means no dielectric is inserted between the plates. Now, when the dielectric material with dielectric constant K is filled, then the capacitance becomes, let's take the capacitance C dash. So the new capacitance after the dielectric is filled, K times C0, where C0 is the capacitance of air-filled capacitor. Now, as the capacitor is isolated, so total charge is conserved. Total charge is conserved. Therefore, energies stored in the capacitor E is equal to, given by the equation, Q square by 2C, where Q is the charge. Now, we know that from this equation, E is directly proportional to 1 by C. Therefore, the energy of the capacitor when the dielectric of dielectric constant E2 is inserted, then the energy becomes E2 is directly proportional to 1 by 2 C0, and similarly the energy of the capacitor which filled with the dielectric constant of 5, that's called E dash, that's called E. So E, and this is called E dash, which is so directly proportional to 1 by 5 times C0. Therefore, we need to find the ratio of this. Therefore, we get E by E dash is equals to 5 times C0 by 2 times C0. Now cancel this C0. So we are left with 5 by 2, which is equals to 2.5. So the new energy this is E dash, this is E. So this is E dash and this is C. Therefore, this is E dash. Therefore, the new energy E dash is equal to 2.5 times E. So this is the result. This matches with the option B. So option B is the correct answer.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.